You like that piece, buddy? I'm glad. Okay, you ready, honey? Let's do it. Oh, how'd you do that? Okay, one more time. Let's do it.
That's terrible.
Okay, so how is it? Brown?
Yeah.
Okay. Take 3. Alright, are you ready, honey?
I was staring at the camera the whole time. I think it's weird.
Light, light, ring light, light, more light. There's a lot of lights. And I'm gonna clean up all these. Let's get to it.
Dude, Nagi.
Oh, Nagi, you're smart.
You could hear him purring. You knew he found something.
You need to learn how this works. You need to go spiral. Nagi. Okay, okay. You can rest there. You see? Yes. Now here. Nagi. Nagi's here. It's here. Yes. Good boy. Okay. 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 Well, good. This tree is safe.
Show him the next step.
Here. Looks like the light isn't too bright for him. I got the one that's not too bright. Good. Yes. I knew it. Okay. You can come here and eat more food if you want. Yeah? Nope. Alright.
Too much catnip.
Too much catnip.